everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about checking your order history on the Facebook app for iOS or Android. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app, and then you want to select your user profile icon at the top right. Go ahead and just select that. And then you want to go down and select Settings and Privacy. Select where it says Orders and Payments, and then you can select the Subscriptions button. And if there are any recent orders or pending or completed activity, they would appear up there, up at the top. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.